Hi, this is Wendy Moran, and today's lesson is for our first graders, and we're working in Module 6. This is actually the last lesson in Module 6, Topic C, and we are breaking it down into two parts, and I am working with you today on Part 1, which is how can I represent addition problems for our first graders. So we are working on our addition to 100. This is Module 6C, and there's more representing addition problems. And we are adding numbers together that are greater than 40. So we are at the very end of Module C, in which students have applied a variety of strategies in adding two-digit numbers. And in this module, we have focused on adding pairs of two-digit numbers above the number 40, and also adding numbers where the sum of the ones digit is 10 and above. Students have not been taught just one strategy, but should have been provided different strategies and selecting the one that is most efficient and effective for them. So in this lesson, students are given an addition problem horizontally written and are asked to solve it using a quick tens and ones drawing. And then they're asked to line up the tens and the ones and solve. As a final step, our students are asked to rewrite the number sentence vertically and to answer it that way. So this is an example of where we're adding 39 plus 52. So in our quick 10 drawing, we are showing that we have 3 tens, 5 tens here. Okay, we are adding them up this way, but we are also aligning them. All right, we are showing our 9 ones here and our 2 ones here, and then looping together to make our additional group of 10, which makes it 9 tens and 1, or 91. And then we're taking it one step further where we are writing the number sentence vertically and showing 9 plus 2 is 11. We have one more group of tens here. So it's 8 plus one more group of 10 makes it 9 tens and, of course, 91. We always want to show our students an example of when we don't have anything in the ones place. All right, so in this problem here, it's 48 plus 42. So in both numbers, we have 4 groups of 10, and we have our ones here, stressing once again that we are aligning it, okay, our tens and our ones to organize our work. We are looping this together as one more group of 10. So we have 8 tens plus one more group makes it 9 tens, or 90. Connecting this so our students are going to be ready to do the double digit addition when the numbers are aligned vertically, showing that this is 10, making one more group of 10 here. So that is 8 tens plus one more makes it 9 tens, or 90. We are working on some lower numbers as well where the sum is over 40. In this case, it's 71. So we have 39 and 32, always stressing the place value and that we are aligning our tens and our ones to make it, to help us to be prepared for our double digit addition vertically. All right, looping together our group of 10. So it's 6 groups of 10 plus one more makes it 7 groups of 10 plus 1 is 71. Connecting to our vertical number sentence, 9 plus 2 is 11. We're going to have one more group of 10 here. So 6 tens plus one more group of 10 makes it 71. Always give an example where it adds up exactly to 100. Okay, in this example, it's 61 plus 39. When we write our quick 10 drawing, because it's 61, we are always doing our group of 5 here, plus one more makes it 6 tens. All right, and then our 3 tens here. We can see that we have 9 ones plus one more ones. So it's 6 tens plus 3 tens is 9 tens plus one more 10 makes it 10 tens. We align our numbers vertically. 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. We're going to have one more group of 10 added to our 9 tens, which is going to be 10 tens. We are always stressing place value, and particularly with our students with disabilities, we want to support them as much as possible. So I am showing you here an example of a place value chart for these two numbers we're adding together, 47 and 36, supporting it, of course, with our quick 10 drawing where we are looping our group of 10 together and moving it over to the tens place, and then showing our vertical number sentence and aligning it and solving it that way also. So we don't have to take away our place value chart for our students with disabilities. It's a form of scaffolding that we want to provide for them. This is a very interesting question to ask our students with disabilities to get them to think deeper about the problem and why do we have a new group of 10. So in both of these problems, they both have 4 tens in both numbers, yet in the second problem, D has a sum with a total of 9 tens instead of 8 tens. So we could compare those two problems and see that here we are looping together our two groups of 5 to make a new group of 10, which is why this becomes 9. We do not have a group of 10 here, which is why this remains 8 tens. And it just helps them to really think about that and how those two problems look very, very different in the answer. One is 89 and one is 94. So we're going to practice the concept learn. You would be giving your students the problems written horizontally. You want them to do the quick 10 drawing, aligning vertically, and then you want them to rewrite the number sentence vertically and solving it that way also. So to summarize, we are adding together double-digit numbers. We are getting into the higher numbers now, and students are having a sum in the ones digit greater than 10 or equal to 10 where they have to form a new group of 10, and we want them to be comfortable doing that. We want them to be able to see a horizontal problem, to be able to do a quick 10 drawing, to loop together or group together our new group of 10, and then also to write it vertically as a number sentence and solve it that way as well. So have a great time with this lesson. It's a lot of fun. There's a whole part 2 if you want to see that also. Okay, bye-bye.